Hello students, रयत शिक्षण संस्था, रयत ऑनलाइन स्कूल एजुकेशन, छत्रपति शिवाजी कॉलेज सातारा, 12th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश, माई सेल्फ मिसेस पवार यूपी. Today we are going to study section 1 prose 1.6 Into the Wild, Kiran Purandare. Into the wild means into the deep forest, dense jungle. Writer Kiran Purandare is famous wildlife expert, bird watcher and writer. Into the wild. This excerpt has been taken from Kiran Purandare's famous book Sakha Nagzira. As the name suggests, this is an amazing experience of writer where Kiran Purandare, the solitary traveler, is completely lost in the jungle of Umbarzara. He narrates how he lost his way at the fall of dusk, the terrifying turmoil he underwent thereafter. Shouting for help would literally mean crying in the wilderness. He also gives detailed description of how he found his way towards Pitezari. Let's start with icebreaker. Students, as this topic related incident of terrific, narrate in your class any of the incident of your own life when you were extremely terrified or awestruck. Student, some of the incident happen in our life. At that time we are terribly awestruck or afraid. Just like thieves entering at midnight in our house, natural calamity, sudden flood situation, ghost story you listen or heard, any horrible accident you witness. Or at your level, you may also say dog barking behind you, you have lost your way, such a type. Second activity, complete the given table regarding the factors, situation or reasons why you sometimes get scared and the factors that add to it. Give possible solution. Here are some factors that make us get us scared. First factor, while discussing about strange creature. Factor which add to it at midnight, in the absence of parent. Solution, avoid such a discussion or stories as they are baseless. Second, fear of thieves and criminals. Factors, alone in home at night. Solution, take safety measures, be cool, keep in contact with the friends and relatives. Third, just before exam. Factors, if I am not prepared for exam or if I have not studied, I am afraid of exam. Solution, have a regular study timetable. Study hard. Student, here we finish icebreaker. Now, know about the writer Kiran Purandare. Kiran Purandare born 1961. After BCom he studied environmental studies at Jordan Hill College of Education in Scotland. Environmental studies related to our surrounding animal, birds, trees. He is a wildlife expert, bird watcher and writer. He is also the founder of Nisarga Ved organization which works for nature conservation. He also founded Kika's Bird Club. Framing about the bird, make interest about bird in school going children. Student Kiran Purandare, Sakha Nagzira. Sakha Nagzira, writer spent 400 days inside Nagzira and nearby forest areas and wrote this award-winning book. He is recipient of Sahitya Puraskar, Pune's Bhai Madhav Bagal Award and Best Literature Award given by Cultural Department of Maharashtra State for his Sakha Nagzira. This excerpt into the wild has been taken from the same. Into the Wild, part first, Lost in the Jungle. Student, here Kiran Purandare share with us an amazing experience of being lost in the jungle of Umbarzara. Let's start. Writer had completed his day's work inside hide. Writer Kiran Purandare had come to this jungle for his research to observe a bird and note their behavior. Writer had completed his day's work nearly 8.5 hours and content about his work inside hide. Hide. Writer had built a hide in the forest, conceal himself in it because he can observe the bird act in natural manner and bird unnoticed it. Hide is a shelter disguised by covering it to make it blend with the surrounding look like or match like surrounding. It is mostly used by forest traveler and wildlife researcher. Writer had taken entries of avifauna in his field notes. Avifauna record. As a bird researcher, writer have put or keep record of birds in his field note. He started his journey to Pitezari. Pitezari, where he was stationed. Writer spent 400 days inside Nagzira and nearby forest area. But at night, he was stationed in nearby village Pitezari. Writer had taken precaution while walking alone in jungle. He was alone here like a fox. Writer Kiran Purandare describes himself being alone here as a fox. Quality of fox. Fox is a solitary creature. The fox moves alone and he has to be alert every time. Writer was alone doing his research work in the forest. He took every precaution while moving in the jungle, in that dense forest, just like. He scanned the area visually. He watched with wide open eyes, tried to make minimal sound. He treaded cautiously among waved leaves of teak wood and moha trees, grasping various sounds. Quack, quack. Writer suddenly heard langur's alarm call out of fear for life. Student, langur is a species of monkey found in jungle. It gives alarm calls after spotting dangerous animal like leopard. The leader of gang of langur, rest of langur brigade, even small one, continue raising alarm call. They petrified langur speeded to the trees near and far, secure their places safe on tree top. Langur, the most reliable when it comes to finding clues among the presence of apex predator, leopard or tiger nearby. Many animals make alarm call. All this appeal alarm call was created only one animal presence, a leopard. A leopard, the mighty elusive leopard of Umbarzara, was out of its lair, den, secret place. He was out on the pole wandering. The stealthily moving figure in spotted gold black cloak on was spied by this langur. Writer had entered in the sanctum sanctorum. Sanctum sanctorum, a holy place where only a few are allowed to enter in the forest for secret or important work. Writer think that the writer was in the sanctum sanctorum. So writer thinks that leopard might have not liked his entry in his territory. Fading alarm calls made writer clear that the leopard had moved away. Writer walked further and met villager Raju Iskape from Pitezari. Writer met Raju Iskape. He is citizen of Pitezari, villager of Pitezari. He had come to collect logs but had to retreat due to the presence of leopard. Alarming call for leopard. He appeared spooked, means he frightened. Raju meet writer. Raju was amazed at writer's regular solitary visit to Umbarzara, haven for tiger, leopard and sloth bear. Both Raju and writer took rest under a kusum tree for a while and resumed their walk. Raju went on his way to collect log and writer to the way on Pitezari. The writer followed the marking on Forest Development Corporation. He kept moving through the forest. Writer was walking alone in the jungle. He kept marking to help for him to get out of jungle. He kept moving through the forest, but after a while he was unable to find his way. He couldn't find his way to Pitezari. The sun was setting. The jungle would be completely in dark any minute. Being alone, the time was dreadful. Writer had the sudden realization that he was lost in the jungle. Writer was lost in the jungle. Writer was nervous. He had two bags with him. One was Shabnam bag that contained the camera. The other small colorful handbag had a tiffin. He did not feel like eating something. In the jungle at night time, with the predator all around was dreadful. This thought Writer soaked with the sweat failed to shout to heart's content, but in vain. He couldn't do anything. No one could come to help him. To secure himself, the writer thought of climbing a tree top or turn back trail had left. But writer found dried up dropping of sloth beer and resolved to move from there. He had different thoughts in his mind, but he come across droppings of sloth beer and come to know there is no safe place for him to stay. So he moved from there. There were a number of hillocks in front of the writer. Hillock, small hill. He ran frantically across a hillock and oh, time was very less in his hand. Frantically, very speedily across hillock, he saw bright red soil trail with the mark of bicycle wheel on it. And oh, he come across bicycle wheel mark on the red soil. It indicated that a village was nearby. The writer, who was frightened and desperate, found this like a silver lining. Silver lining compared with a bicycle mark on red soil. Silver lining means bright hope for writer now. The trail made writer hopeful now of safety, making it out of jungle. This road safely get out of jungle to the writer, so he become happy. With the trembling legs, he reached on the top of the hill. He become tired, his legs become tired. He reached on the top of hill. He was able to hear the sound of people and oh, at that time he get the human voices. He found droppings of blue bulls nearby, means human habitant nearby. Sight of lantern of Rajiram Bhalvi's farm, loudspeaker installed for Keshav Bhalvi's marriage. He spotted the village lake and familiar hillock, Sui Hudki. Writer lived in that peasantry, so he identified familiar things. And at last, the dog barked to welcome him to the village. In this way, Kiran Punandare had reached Pitesari village safely. After reaching the village, the first thing he did was to take a bath. He then had his food and took a nap. He had lied awake looking at the star-strewn sky, open sky at night. The writer said to him, "There still exists a jungle? There still exists a jungle where we can get lost, isn't it? This is our good luck." In this way, writer reached in Pitesari. Writer had gone through terrifying experience of having lost in jungle. It made him realize certain thing. First, humans have tried to take over natural habitat of wildlife. Second, due to deforestation, there is barely any places left for human to get lost in it. But writer's experience of getting lost in the jungle without any sign of human life shows that there are some places still untouched by human. This realization made the writer feel that humans are lucky in a way. Find positive from this experience. Thank you, student.